Hello everyone. Today I am going to Varenna&Bellagio. It's a very famous small village. It's a part of Como Lake. I will take a train out for my trip today. It's the fastest and the easiest way for traveling in Italy if you don't have a car. So I am right now in Malpensa Airport Terminal 1, so I need to go down to take the train. Here I'm showing you guys how to go down to take the trains. And there are screens showing you guys the information about the train. Don't worry about that. So for today's trip, we going to the Varenna with a train out, and we got 3 tickets here. The first one from here airport to the center, the city, Milano. So the first one is right here from Malpensa airport to Milano, and the second one is from the Milano to Varenna. This one, the second ticket, and the last ticket is from Varenna to the Milano, the center, and we're gonna use this one twice from a Milano to Malpensa airport. So totally for the trip from the airport, the Malpensa Terminal 1 airport to a Varenna, we got total 3 tickets with us today, and it costs 41 euro for the round trip. It's quite nice, acceptable, affordable, not that expensive. Let's see you. And also on the train here, you can bring your own food. It's allowed to have the food here on the train. They provide a table here. And just today I got the coffee and a huge sandwich here. So let's enjoy the coffee and the sandwich and see you there. We are going to Varenna. And every time before using the train, you have to validate your ticket before boarding, as I show you at the beginning of the video with the green machine. So finally we arrived at Central Station. So once you get off the train, you need to go straight to another platform to take another train. So don't worry, I will show you guys how to do that. So first of all, after you get off the train, you have to walk straight around 3 minutes to go to another platform to take another train to Varenna. Keep walking until you see Sephora in front of you, then you just turn left. If you look up on your right, you will see the screen and the information about the train. If you wanna go to Varenna, you should take the train that's named Colico. Today I will take the train at platform number 7.
So enjoy your wonderful trip to Varenna&Bellagio. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel. See you in next video.